Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design stunning book covers. That is beautiful book covers for your novels with your smartphone in 5 minutes or less. You don't need to pay anybody to design for you, okay? All you have to do is for you to pay good attention in this video because I am going to go in details. If you follow these instructions and pay attention to read, you are not going to have any issues in designing your book covers, okay? So let's go into details now. The first thing you have to do is for you to go to the app called Pinterest. If you don't have it, you go to Play Store and download it, okay? You go to Pinterest, you search for the picture you want, like werewolf, okay? You are going to see beautiful pictures. As you can see, this one is very beautiful, this one is very beautiful, and the more you click on a beautiful picture, the more you are going to see more beautiful ones, okay? So as you can see, beautiful ones. Click on this, you will see more of it. I love this. So all you have to do is click on these three dots, click on download image to your phone. Okay, then I love this, but I'm not going to make use of it. So this is very beautiful. Download. So I'm going to show you how to search for it. So if you are going for billionaire romance, you search for it, okay, you look for the one without any text. So like this is beautiful. So with this you can get more, of it. This is beautiful, okay. See, you click on one, you get more. Download that. So for just want to do all these things once. For mafia couple, it looks like a billionaire romance, but this one looks more intense, okay. This makes sense, okay. So you can download as many as you want, then based on your book title, I believe you are going to see the one that is related to your book title. So after you have gotten your pictures, you head over to Canva. Okay, this is Canva. You click on this plus, click on custom size. Okay, I'm using good novel size now. So you input 600 by 800 pixel. You click on create new design. So after you have done this, you go to your gallery to import the picture that we just downloaded, okay. Just this, okay. So drag it, make sure that you drag it to full this, okay. So this is okay. So after you have done this, you click on this plus to get your text. You click on text, you click on add a heading, okay. After that, based on the title of your novel, So this one, I'm going to name it, I'm going to name it this worthless to priceless omega. Okay, so looking at this text, you can see it's not that beautiful. That's when you start working. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is for you to change the font. You change the font. Okay, for this werewolf novel, I love making use of all this vintage elegant pattern of fonts. Okay, and you can, I'm not making use of the Canva Pro, so check. Okay, this is okay. I made a mistake. Mm, price priceless. Let me change the color so that you'll be seeing it. Okay, so the fonts I'm making use of, the first thing I did was to use vintage, as in based on werewolf. You know, werewolf is like holding something. You can be creative. This is nice too. This is also nice. This is nice too. But let me go with this. So as you can see, um the name is like touching the edge of the book cover. So let me just do it like this. It's good to make it to be in 3 lines or 2 lines or 4 lines, depending on the name of your novel. Okay, but just be creative and make it look so okay. Okay, so you click on line spacing so that you are going to draw it together, make them look so together. Okay, so after you have done this, looking at it is kind of light. You bold it, go to format, then bold it. So after you have done this, looking at it, I believe that you can see it's very, very beautiful. Now it's making sense now. So you go to effects, as you can see, this is shadow, this is lift, this is hollow, this is spiceless, outline, echo, glitch, neon, and background. So in this one, I'm going to be making use of lifts to lift it from the background. Okay, so after you have done this, then copy the text, copy it, then place it back so that it's going to have weight. Then after you have done this, you go, the one that you place on top, I'm doing a combination of effects now. So the first one was lifts, so the second one I'm going to use neon or glitch. Okay, let me go with neon. Then after you have done that, you can decide to change the color, of the text. When you change the color of the text, you can change it to any color of your choice, which is, that makes sense based on your. Okay, as you can see, this is beautiful, this is beautiful too. Purple, I love making use of purple. I don't know if you like it, but I love making use of purple. Okay, so this is kind of making sense to me. Worthless to priceless omega, you can decide to copy it back, then place it on top again, then change the effect. You can change the color to white. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Just be creative. After you have done that, you go to effect again, you go to effect, then and decide to change it. Are you seeing it? Echo, outline, spirals. Well, here. Are you seeing it? So it's making sense. It's making a lot of sense. So I will go with this. So as you can see, what we started with is not what we are ending with. Okay, so this is our book cover is making sense. Worthless to priceless omega. Okay, you can decide to put your name on top, or you can just leave it. If you want to put your name, just a single name, no need of you going big name, just maybe Ella Douglas or just Ella. Okay, I change the fonts. I change the fonts. This one makes sense. Okay, then the color. Change the effects. No, 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 no. This one makes sense. So you place it on top. You place it on top and decide to reduce it. Change the letter spacing. Okay, change the letter spacing. Then okay, just like this, something like this. So just be creative. Your own might be better than my own. This is a sample, or better still, remove the name. Okay, just this book cover is okay and is very beautiful. If you follow this step of mine, you are not going to have any issue in designing your book cover. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. With this, you can be able to design other genre you want to design. Okay, after you have done that, you download as jpeg. Okay, you click on this, download jpeg. Okay, so if you are using Canva Pro, you can be able to increase this to 100. Okay, if you are not using like I am not, you download at 80. They are still the same. So this is how to design your novel book cover. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.